Alright guys, so we just arrived at Walmart for a Walmart fishing challenge, and they have a lot of options. They have this dock runner by Shakespeare, the Ugly Stick dock runner, and then they have like the world's smallest fishing rod. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to get that for a future video. Ooh, hold on. They actually have a pretty nice rod right there. Colored rod. There's a person about to come by. I might get kicked out. And then there's this one for $12. $12. It's this blue one. Or there's a red one. I don't know which one. Oh. Somebody's at service. Someone's in trouble. Wait, I have to be cool. That was quite sketchy. Okay, so, well, we're going fishing for, catfish in a river, so I just got some catfish bait. There's people everywhere. There's so many people. Alright, we need some circle hooks.
Marvel, the Fantastic Four. First step, easily stayed top of the domestic box office chart in its second weekend of 40 million. But those sales were 66% lower than the 7.6 million last weekend. Second was Bad Guys 2 opening at 22.2.
No shot. Oh. This is the weirdest bait ever. What should I get? Oh my gosh, it's so massive. It's like, look at my hand. It's so big. Alright. We're gonna get the $12 rod. It's a $12 spinning combo. That's crazy. That's only $12. It's insane. I want something without a line on. Hold on. Ooh, that actually looks. I have this one. I don't know how much it costs. The rod was $43.97. So I need to put it back. I don't know if I can get it up there. I almost just dropped it. Okay, we got it. Alright. We're gonna go with should we go blue or red? Alright. Blue or red. You comment down below what you're gonna get, what you would get, and I'm gonna go with red. I know it's obnoxious. It's super obnoxious. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright, yep. We have what we need. Okay. I'll band stuff on. Okay, we need to go find hooks. We have a $30 budget. Let's see them. I have no clue. This was $2. Okay, so we have $13 of stuff. No, like $15 of food. We have $15 left. This is sketchy as heck. Everybody's looking at me. I need to go back over there. So, I'm going to turn the camera off so I don't get kicked out. Okay guys, I decided to go with the Eagle Claw catfish. It's only like $16, so we're fine. on that. So we're going to take it. It has everything I need. Actually, it might be a little over budget, but it has that. It has catfish hooks. You know what? We're gonna pass on it actually. We're gonna put everything that we're getting over here. Put a rod, and then we're gonna go over here. And I think we're gonna get wait, circle hooks. They don't have circle hooks. No way, they don't have circle hooks. This is crazy. I don't know what we need. Honestly, I don't think we need much else. We need a bell. We need a catfish bell. We need, you know what? I'm gonna go ask an employee if they have a catfish bell. I'll be right back. Alright guys, they did not have catfish bells unfortunately, so I'll have to get some from Dick's or something as part of our budget at Walmart. I know you might say it's freaking through us, but I do need a catfish bell if I want to catch a catfish. So guys, please bear with me. Yeah, I'm gonna get a catfish bell, so don't worry. See ya probably at the house, maybe at the river. Bye. Okay guys, so I decided. Okay guys, so I actually decided to get a 50-pound scale for if we do actually catch a catfish, I can weigh it. And I'm gonna walk to the cash register without being caught filming. I'm gonna try to. This is gonna be probably super awkward, so I might not talk. I'll probably throw on some music. Anyway, enjoy my pain and suffering. So awkward. It's not even bad right here, but it's about to get super awkward. Hi. This is sad. Shh. This is awkward as heck. Shh. My grandpa's yapping. Can't get him to stop. Dude. Alright, howdy. Hi, how you doing? I don't know what to say. It's so awkward. Hi. He literally looked at the camera and said, "Have fun fishing." Yeah, thank you. There's like 4 Walmart employees right there. This is so awkward. Okay, there's a cash. Yeah, just come on. Okay, we're at the cash register. Somehow we made it. Shh. Stop yapping. Say hi.
Hi.
Funny guy. The cash girl is probably gonna think I'm crazy. The person like doing the thing. I think I'm crazy. What do you want me to do?
Self-checkout.
No.
That's ridiculous.
You know what? I'm actually gonna get some Jack Link's teriyaki tender bites.
No.
Okay, then that's on you.
bites, beef tender bites. Teriyaki. You press the thing.
Huh? What do you want to do with cash? There's two here. So what is they saying? What does it say?
Wait, you want to put $2 on here and then you can use this.
Okay. You want me to swipe it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Why isn't that pushing?
You want to put your PIN number.
I'm trying to right now. Okay, wait, hold on, I got it. Okay.
Give me a second, that lady forgot that.
Alright guys, that was taking too long. We're going to self-checkout. We are going to self-checkout right now. Self-checkout. Alright, we're here. We're at self-checkout. Our total is $26.16. Got the spin combo, the digital scale, Terry bites, and the catfish bait. Alright, pay. Okay. So what do I do? I don't know. I haven't shopped in a long time. I almost thought I didn't bring. Okay, so 20 going in, and then the 10 is going in, alright, how much are you gonna give me? Just print. I got $3.84 for dicks. Well, I don't really want the quarters and stuff, so okay. Oh crap! Well, we have everything from Walmart, our pool, our goodies and bag, and bye. See you at the house. What's up, guys? We're back in our... Cut it. Alright, guys, we're back from Walmart, the Walmart Fishing Challenge. We have our $12 pool with a catfish rig in the water. It already got tangled. And that catfish bait smells horrible. I don't want to touch it, but I'm going to touch it for you guys, so yeah. I do not want to do this at all. Smells so bad. It looks disgusting. Everything about it is gross. Alright, anyway. We got it all on a little spinner. Oh, we're gonna get this one out of here. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. You have no idea how bad it smells. Unless you've used catfish bait before. This just smells disgusting. open our bail. And all right, we're chilling. Okay. Oh my god. Is it already getting taken? No way. This has gotta be the curse. Alright guys, so we ended up switching spots and I just caught this little crawdad. He's mad at me. So I'm gonna put him back right over here by the water. Right here, there's the water. There you go, buddy. That's crazy. He's